I think I'm going to cut off the flaps of both the top and the bottom. So I cut all the flaps off except one bottom of the narrow side. So 7 flaps were cut off. So I think I'm gonna take the other 2 flaps and do something like this for the front of the truck. And just use tape to put it all together. So I just tape these 3 flaps and it'll go like this. So before I attach the front, I'm going to cut out a window, but I'm only going to cut out the 3 sides so it can open up. So now we have the flap for the front and then the front of the truck forming. Can you see it? It's beginning to take shape. So the easiest way to cut the sides of this box is to take another flap, line it up, and then take your pencil and mark, trace the flap, and that's where you cut. Ta-da! Just make sure you cut 2 matching for each side. So I made a little one, a medium-sized one, and a big one. So you can make them in any size. So I think I'm gonna trim the awning a little bit so it's shorter. So before we paint these boxes, I'm gonna prime it with this gesso, I think that's how you say it, gesso acrylic paint. So it preps the surface because cardboard tends to pretty much eat paint when you paint it on there. This way it protects the cardboard and it's easier to paint on colors. Oh!